welcome to Lasa. Today we're going to be doing the assembly of our CASA 8C book. Let's get started by opening the box. For step 1, we're going to require our part number 4. We're also going to require 2 parts of part C. Right, we can begin with the installation. Using your 2 parts of part C, we're going to insert it into this hole in the middle, as well as this hole. For step 2, you're going to require part 10. You're also going to require 2 parts of the locks of part C and 2 of part B. We're going to be inserting part B into this hole and this hole. We're then going to use part number 10, assuring these holes slide into. You're then going to use the locks to lock them in. When installing, paying careful attention that the locks sit on the left hand side. Also, you will notice on the board, one side seems to have a tiny gap where the other side would be flush. Step number 3, you're going to require part 8. You're also going to require 2 A screws and your E Allen key. Making sure to position these 2 holes in line with these 2 holes on the previously built part. We're then going to push the screws into those holes. Step 4, you're going to require your part 5. You're also going to require 4 of your A screws and 2 of your B part. We're going to begin by flipping this over. We're going to begin by putting part B into this hole and this hole. When installing part 5, pay careful attention to the 3 holes on each side, making sure that they face you. Then going to put that into position and using your A screws with the Allen key. You're going to require 4 parts of step C. For step C, you're going to insert them into the 2 holes in the middle and the 2 holes at the end. Step number 6, we're going to require 2 parts of part 9. We're also going to require 4 parts of our B part and 4 parts of our C locks. We're going to begin by inserting parts B into these 4 holes. Then paying careful attention to parts 9 when inserting, the lock holes should face the left hand side. Then inserting the locks into the holes. Repeat again. For step 7, you're going to require your part 6. You're also going to require 4 parts of part B and 4 parts of part A, as well as your Allen key. We're going to begin by installing part B into these 4 holes. Paying careful attention to the holes at the bottom, you're then going to insert part 6 into it. We're then going to start with our screws inserting on the 4 inner holes. For step 8, we're going to flip the product at a 90-degree angle. For step 9, you're going to require your part 3 and also 4 of your part C screws. We then begin by inserting our C screws all in the outer holes. For step 10, you're going to require 2 parts of part 9. You're also going to require 4 parts of part B as well as 4 parts of the C locks. We're going to begin by inserting part B into these 4 holes. We're then going to use part 9, making sure the holes are on the left hand side. For step 11, you're going to require 4 of your A screws and 4 of your Bs. We're going to insert part B into the 4 holes on the inside. We're then going to use this piece and slide it down to the bottom, making sure to interlock it. We're then going to slide it into each other, making sure to interlock the parts. So once they've been slid into each other, we're then going to use our A screws to tighten in these 4 holes. Step 12, we're going to require 20 of our wooden part B. We will begin by inserting 10 part Bs per side. We will then proceed to do the same for the other side. Continuing with step 12, we're going to require parts 1 and parts 2, which we will put on the respective sides. We will begin inserting side 1 onto the respective side, paying attention to the half drilled holes, which will slot into the wooden inserts. Step 13, we're going to require 20 of our A screws as well as our E Allen key. We'll then proceed to do the same for the other side. Once you've installed parts 1 and 2, on the underside, you should have part 6, paying note to these 4 holes, which the side skirtings will slot into. For step 14, we're going to require 2 parts of part 7. We're also going to require 4 parts of part B, putting them into these 4 holes. Okay. Paying careful attention to the holes under part 7, we're going to then carefully slot them in. For step 15, you're going to require 8 of your A screws as well as your Allen key. We'll then proceed to do the same for the other side. For our final step, we're going to require 10 pieces of part D, which will then stick at the bottom of our product. Thank you for watching our assembly video of our CASA 8C book. Please visit www.lasa.africa for more of our wonderful products. Thank you.